Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is Raf or Mr. English, and in this class we're going to learn how to express ability, how to use can and can't to talk about ability. So let's get right to it. Alright guys, in the affirmative, let me give you an example. He can play the guitar. This means he has the ability to play the guitar. He has the capacity to play the guitar. He's able to play the guitar, okay? He can play the guitar. She can sing. I can drive a car. He can surf. Now, let me give you some examples of negative sentences. I can't whistle. She can't cook. He can't play tennis. They can't speak Italian. Now let's take a look at the interrogative. Look at this sentence. They can dance. Well, this is the affirmative, right? To create a question, all you have to do is change the positions of can and the pronoun. Can they dance? So, they can dance is the affirmative. Interrogative, can they dance? Let's see some other example. Can she play the piano? Can he play soccer? What instruments can you play? Now guys, we also have the possibility of short answers. So look at this question. Can she play the piano? And then I can answer, yes, she can. No, she can't. Can he play soccer? Yes, he can. No, he can't. Now, take a look here at the affirmative. I have some more examples for you, okay? I want you to listen and repeat after me to practice. I can dance. He can sing. She can speak English. It can whistle. You can cook. We can play the guitar. They can play soccer. Let's look at some negative sentences. I can't dance. He can't sing. She can't speak English. It can't whistle. You can't cook. We can't play the guitar. They can't play soccer. Now let's see the interrogative. Can I dance? Can he sing? Can she speak English? Can it whistle? Can you cook? Can we play the guitar? Can they play soccer? Well guys, for today that's it. Don't forget to study and remember, always use your English. Bye bye.